Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to permanently delete your Google account. If you're ready to take this step, let's dive into the process. Open a web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Log in with the Google account you want to delete. Once logged in, click on Data and Privacy from the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you see More Options under your Data and Privacy options. Click on it. Select Delete your Google account and enter your password again for verification. You'll see a list of all the content and services that will be deleted. Read through them carefully. Scroll down, check the boxes to confirm that you understand the terms, and then click on Delete Account. Your Google account, along with all associated data, will be deleted. Remember, this action is irreversible. And that's how you delete your Google account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.